aWISH is a European project that aims to improve the welfare of pigs and chickens at commercial farms and at the slaughterhouse. The project relies on the observation of welfare indicators. As part of the project, a catalog has been developed that provides information about welfare indicators in pigs and chickens.
Hi, I'm Angela Ramon. I'm working in aWISH project doing the animal welfare indicator catalog. And this catalog, I think, is a good tool to compile all the indicators that we can assess in animals.
The catalog includes indicators that can be measured using technologies in pigs and broilers to monitor welfare at slaughterhouses. To access the Welfare Indicator Catalog, go to the aWISH website. Click on the Welfare Catalog. You can find more information here, as well as important instructions. This catalog is an interactive PowerPoint document. You can navigate back and forth by clicking the underlined blue words. The indicators are organized in two sections: pigs and broiler chickens. Each section is further divided into 3 phases. Antemortem. This covers the time from when the animals arrive at the slaughterhouse until they enter the stunning area. Stunning. This covers the stunning and killing procedures. And postmortem. This includes all the procedures performed on carcasses. By clicking on the blue underlined text, you can navigate back and forward, and find information on the indicators as well as on currently available technologies. Feel free to contact us through email or social media if you have questions.